Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Dubsado, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you manually add one client into your Dubsado account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to manually add one client into your Dubsado? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you're going to get a new client, maybe in person, and you want to be sure to add them into your Dubsado. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Dubsado dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Dubsado, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to manually add one client, here on the left side, you're going to click on Utilities. Once you do that, you want to click on Address Book. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all of your clients in Dubsado. However, to manually add a new client, up here on the top right, go ahead and click on Add Client. Don't click on Import. Import is you're going to be importing a list of clients. If you need help with that process, go back and watch my other video. This is just to add one client manually. Okay, once you click there, you're going to be able to fill in this client's information by adding their first name, last name, phone number, email, and company. If you don't have all this information, that's fine. It's not all required. However, the more information you have on that client, I would recommend you put it in here because in the future, you may need to reference back this information, including any kind of notes you have on this deal or this client. So let me go ahead and enter this in. Okay, once you enter in their first name and last name, you can see the add button turns black and we can go ahead and add this client in. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes into the client detail. So we can go ahead and edit their profile, emails, forms, projects, notes, and call log. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to manually add one contact or client into your Dubsado account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.